Okay, now, here's a story to you new puppy owners of these puppies. That is Miss Abigail laying there. See? Different dog. Gray muzzle. She's younger than Gypsy. There she is with Gypsy's puppies. One standing up. That's Gypsy. She's cleaning the other two. It has started. They are sharing duties here on taking care of the puppies. Abby gets in here, cuddles with them. Gypsy does nothing. This is, look at this. That's not Gypsy. That's Abby. And that's Gypsy's puppy. See? It's a Gypsy puppy. And where's Gypsy? Hi, Gypsy. Gonna lay down? Gypsy, Gyp. Hi, Gyp. Alright, there we go. There's Gypsy and Abby. Gypsy's puppies. They're not even 2 weeks old. They're starting to kind of get their feet under them already. They're little absolute pudge balls. And their eyes, my little female, her eyes have just barely, they got little slits in them. And I flashed the camera at one of them last night, and they knew I flashed the camera. So there you go. I hope you new people that own these puppies, are gonna own these puppies, can see just what this is like. This is this is like their aunt taking care. She's not really doing anything other than she's there. She loves to be in there. And they're so gentle that it doesn't matter that they're both in there. That's it. I hope you all get to see this. It's almost 3 minutes long. There, now, here. There's Gypsy, and there's her puppy. Yeah, there she is. But Abby will clean them. They cannot go to the bathroom unless the mama cleans them right now. And it is, what's the temperature in here? I actually turned it down. It's 76.8 right now in here. There were people here yesterday, and the temperature was a little bit warmer than that. Everybody was taking off their coats. Oh, look, look, look. Look. Alright, that was a cute belly. Yes. Not like I like them or anything, but in here, look at this. That's Abby's legs. Those are Abby's legs. And there's the baby. You can tell that the eyes are just kind of got where you can see the slit. That puppy's ears are still shut. Oh, Gypsy got up. Alright, I wanted to show you the back legs on this one. Look at the back legs on that one. Oh, see what she wanted to do? She wanted these to get over there so they'd nurse. You're such a good mama, Gypsy. You're such a good mama. Yes, you are. Look at you. Gypsy. Gypsy, Gypsy. Hey, puppies. Oh, hi, pups. Abby, you're such a goofball. that's the happenings at New Dawn Labs on November, whatever this is. What is it? They were born on the 2nd, so it has to be the 14th today. So they won't be 2 weeks old till the 16th. And they are just absolute pudge balls. I mean, just pudge balls. And I don't know which one of these is my female, but she's here. It's one of these. They all look the same. They're all the same size. They're all dark. So that's it. Bye, guys. Hope you get to see this. I'd forward it to all of you, but you'd probably get upset with me for sending a 6-minute and 21-cent video to your home email address. So, Sully's Freedom Song, Gypsy Bee, Mama. 4 puppies, born November 2nd, 2011. They're out of Kona, who is a Candlewood's Kudu Blue Sun, okay? This is a Candlewood's Kudu Blue Sun daughter, Miss Abigail, that's in here. Out of a Cash on the Line daughter, and Kona's out of a Cash on the Line son, or daughter, I'm sorry, out of Cash on the Line daughter. So, those puppies are, they're pretty cool. There you go. First video of the pups. See you all soon. Bye-bye. There you go, puppies. See? Look, let's see if I can get it close. That one's just sleeping away, dreaming dreams that we don't know about. Ears aren't open yet. They can't regulate their temperature yet. See you soon. Everybody's calm. Gypsy could care less if Abby's in here. Bye-bye.